This is my first time repairing a broken window screen. Of course, I'm doing it for somebody else and not myself first, but it's all a learning experience. The tools that we're going to need are 1, the mesh screen, 2, the spline, the little cord that goes around and holds everything in place, and then 3, the spline tool. So I'm looking in the channel to find where it begins, and then I can pull it out. This?
Yes. Okay.
Already got it?
Yep.
We'll straighten it out. Straighten this out.
Now we need to cut it. I have blue scissors like that. There.
I just figured out how to keep it neat and straight. I folded it under the frame, and then I'm gonna put the spline so it won't get wrinkled. So that's my life hack.
That goes.
All right, I got it down into the channel so it won't come out. And I'm just gonna take my utility knife and cut off the excess. All right, I got the screen all fixed and I'm gonna put it in. I don't know if you can even tell it has the screen. Oh, there you go. You can't see it. So it's in.